and welcome to Mental Floss, an 8-week challenge series. Every week will be a different theme and a different challenge. I will be posting every Sunday, Monday about that specific challenge for that week. So definitely look at all the details down below. Every Sunday, Monday, I will be posting videos on what that challenge is for that week. Definitely subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up with me every day of what I post about the challenge, as well so that you could join the challenge too. When you join the challenge, you're automatically entered into my contest. Each theme will have one winner. I will announce all the winners on April 11th. The reason why I call this the Mental Floss Challenge is because we're going to be looking at the mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of ourselves. We're going to be working on our inner selves as well as helping our mental state. We always have to work on our mental state before anything else. Our mental state is everything, and we could suppress a lot. The reason for this is anything that you have on the outer surface is not going to help you. So you need to start going inwardly. If you don't start with the root, you wind up suppressing everything. And if you suppress everything, you need to get to the root cause of everything. Mental floss is all about detoxing and letting go what no longer serves you. So come along with me on this journey with this 8-week series and join the challenges. Other than that, let's get right into the video. Back to my channel. I'm Jesenia. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below and join the fam. And if you haven't already, go down in the description box and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to keep up with me every day on all the challenges. 8-week series Mental Floss Challenge. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 different DIYs to help you with visualization for your vision quest journey. Visualization is a huge step in the manifesting process. So if you haven't already checked out my 10 ways on how to manifest what you want, I'll link it up above. Other than that, visualization is a huge part in the manifestation process. And this is because you want to visualize. Most of us are visual human beings, but if you're not, I apologize. There's a ton of other steps with manifestation if you're not a visual person. But visualization is such a huge step in your manifestation process and manifesting what you want and your journey. And these are 3 different ways. They're fun, creative, 3 different ways that you can do to create your visualization. Part of this video is to visualize every day for 10 to 15 minutes a day. You want to take the time every day to visualize what you want, and this is essential and part of the process because you're sending out those images and those vibrations out, and you're getting into that feeling. You want to make sure your emotions are aligned with what it is that you want, and it's just a great visual to have every day to set aside, 10, 15, 20 minutes, put it on the time clock, and visualize what you want in life, and it will manifest a whole lot faster. And again, these are fun and creative, and I love doing these different things. If you're a creator, you must do these 3 different things. I do all 3 of them. I love to do multiple of different things in different categories because it stimulates your brain and it gets your subconscious mind, it sinks into your subconscious mind, and then you start shifting and changing your perspective and changing gears. So if you'd like to know the 3 different things that I have for you for your vision quest journey, then just keep watching. The first DIY that I have for you for your vision quest journey is to make a vision quest journal. want to attract in my life. Same thing as having a vision board. You could also do, you know, inside and make it like a slash journal slash vision board notebook. However you want to do it, it's entirely up to you on how you want to make it. But the purpose of the Vision Quest journal is to write a page a day or a half a page a day of what it is that you want. Strictly what you want, not what you don't want, not what you don't have. And the purpose is to write that you already have it. And the way you would do this is to say, I love that I have a loving relationship and I have an abundant life and I have all the money to, you know, pay my bills and to help people and donate to my charities that I want and to I love all the animals that I have. Whatever it is that you want in your life, you have to write it out as if you already have it. And this will help you in the process of manifesting what you already have, because your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between reality and your dreams and your imagination. So that is another way to do your DIY. So let's get right into the next one. Okay, so the second DIY that I have for you guys is to make a Vision Quest jar. I love mason jars, if you haven't already known. But if you haven't checked out, I already made a gratitude jar that I have on my table right now. I'll link that above for you guys to see. That was last week's challenge. So for the dream jar or Vision Quest jar, whatever you want to call it, you need a hot glue gun, you need a labels, permanent marker, glue, and twine. This Vision Quest jar, any way you want. I already had this painted white one because I had fake flowers in it, but I decided that I wanted my vision jar to be white. But you could do it however you want. There's all different ways to make it, and I'm going to wrap twine around it just like I did on the gratitude jar. And we're just going to hot glue gun it and then wrap it around. And I'm gonna do a little bow to make this one a little bit different from the other one. Add a label, and I'm calling my jar the Vision Quest jar, journey, whatever it is you want to call it. I'm going to call it the Vision Quest because I am on a quest of manifesting a lot in my life. Heat it up and ready to go. And then you're going to get your twine, and I'm not going to cut it right now. So I'm going to start from the front. So this is the front side, but I'm going to have the label on the back side. So we're going to start it to glue it here, and you can just put a dot. Not hot enough, but I'm going to make the label. I just bought these labels from the dollar store, and I think we will do the middle one. I'm going to do the middle one just like I did on the gratitude jar, and I'm going to call this the Vision Quest. So whatever it is that you want to call it is up to you. I'm going to explain to you a little bit about what it is that you want to do with this Vision Quest jar. You want to, every day, you're gonna, you know, prepare first, and you're going to write all of your dreams, all of your goals. You're gonna write them down, and you're gonna fold them up, and you're gonna put them in the jar. Whatever it is that you want to manifest in your life, you're gonna put it in the jar. And every day you're gonna take 10 to 15 minutes a day. You're gonna pull one of those, or once a week. You could do this once a week if every day is a little too much. Every day or once a week, put a timer on your phone, and you're gonna pull out what it is that you want to manifest in your life. And you're going to visualize whatever it is on that piece of paper, and you're going to visualize it for 10 to 15 minutes, whether you have to put, you know, music. Let's say you want to go to Hawaii and you want to go on vacation in Hawaii or live in Hawaii. You will write on the Vision Quest paper, I want to live in Hawaii, I want to live on the Big Island. You want to get specific and get the details. So you could say, I want to live on Oahu with a garden and a bunch of fruit and surrounded by a loving, happy community. And then you're gonna say whatever it is on the paper out loud, and then you're gonna visualize what it is that you want to happen. And you really, if you have to, you know, put YouTube up and put like images of Hawaii in the background, or Hawaiian music, or all of it together, you really want to get creative here. That is the purpose, because you want to make it very visual in your mind's eye. That's the purpose of this Vision Quest jar, and that is the label that we're going to do, and I'm calling it Vision Quest, but other people, call it Dream Jar. It's entirely up to you. I like to call it Vision Quest because it sounds fun and exciting and adventurous. That is all that there is to it, to your Vision Quest jar. It's plain and simple. You could totally make it more fancier if that's up to you. I just like that it's simple, brown and white, and there you go. Next up that I have for you guys is to make vision boards. Vision boards, there's so many different ways you could do this. You could draw whatever it is that you want to manifest in your life. You could cut out stuff from magazines, is one way I used to do it, or you could print things up from the internet, which is another way that you could do too. Now I have all my vision boards here, and I have actually a ton that is still at my dad's house in the attic, but these are the ones that I've made in the recent times, and this is a really great way to do. So if you don't like the vision jar idea, you can do a vision board, and you can literally put anything that you want. I'm not showing you guys how to make a vision board. I'll link a video on how to make a vision board above, and this is how I did it. This one is based on feng shui and the bagwas. There's 9 different bagwas, and each section means a different area of the life. So here I have a surfboard because I want to live in Hawaii. That is on my board. And then here, like a key to success into my apartment, healthy living, travel is here too, and I have Hawaii and like elephants, Australia, whatever. And then on the other side, I also did a vision board too. This one's a little ripped up from moving it around. I have Yoga Girl because I love yoga and I love her. I have Hawaii Retreat, Heal Your Life. I did have Arizona on my board. This is before I even decided that I was moving there. I always wanted to move to Arizona, but I put this on the board, and a year later I'm here, living here. Vegan or vegetarian, plant-based lifestyles on here, eating healthy, meditating, which I do almost every day. Omega is a retreat in Rhinebeck, New York with all spiritual workshops. I put this on my board and I got to go there for free. So I've definitely manifested a lot of things here. I have Unlocking the Consciousness of the Soul. I've been working a lot on consciousness. I put up here that I wanted a business. I started my business last year when I moved here. So a lot of these things I have manifested, and it's really cool when you see that happen. You definitely have to take actions towards the steps to that. Next, I have my Young and Living vision board, and there's just all different things about, being Royal Crown Diamond. I want to do 7 minerals makeup that they have, having gratitude, and all different things on that. And then this is like my the Young Living, and this vision board is my recent one. So this is a different style versus like just putting everything everywhere. This is the how to make a vision board video that I made that I will link for you guys. But just different things again that I have here. I have Archangel Michael because I want to just get closer to Archangel Michael. I have Satnam mantras, yoga mantras, travel, focusing on the good, herbs, essential oils, nourishing, just like really like growing and nourishing your body and taking care of yourself. So that is what I have for that. And then I also have the option to put something on the back, and then I just put it on a ribbon and hung it in my room. Also for a vision board, you could simply print out pictures of whatever it is of yourself or wherever you want to go, I'll show a clip here. I put pictures of Hawaii and me doing yoga, and I just put it on twine waist pin clips, and I hot glue gun that and put it in with my meditation space. So that's another way that you could do a vision board as well. And those are all the 3 ways that I have for you to make your vision quest. And I think doing all 3 of these are a great way to, you know, stimulate your brain and, you know, exercising your brain muscles. But if you just want to do one, that is fine too, and you could just focus on that. But these are just different options for you guys to do for your vision quest. I hope you had a fun time with me making these 3 different DIYs. Get your visualization and manifestation going. Get your process going. Discipline yourself, people. Practice every day for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. That's all you need. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Bye.